Hello, welcome to the electronic circuits analyzed by PSpice program. Today we are going to work with Capture. Then I click on correct document to enter document. Here there are four options as analog or mixed AD, PC board wizard, program logic wizard, and schematic. I click on schematic, but in schematic just you can draw the schematic of circuit, and you cannot analyze, but on analog or mixed AD you can both have analysis and schematic. So we use the first one. The PC board wizard is for working on PC board. This part is for working on logic circuits. First part, I choose the first part and write the name as test 2. Okay, here there are two options. I click on create a blank project. Okay, as you can see, one screen has opened. Here I can actually draw my circuit and do the analysis. So I want to introduce you the different parts of Capture. So here this part is actually voltage, current marker, which are for actually seeing the different voltage of circuit, which we added in schematic 2. But in power dissipation marker, dissipation marker is for displaying the output power of circuit, and also the voltage differential marker, which wasn't in schematic, which shows the voltage difference, but V, I, and W, which if you actually select any of these three, the C voltage of circuit will be shown on the circuit, which has been explained in schematic. I actually shows the each current of circuit, and also W shows the power of any elements in the program. There is another option as zoom in, zoom out, zoom to region, which you choose a special part, and zoom to all, which displays the whole page, but here just shows that part. Zoom out, and this part is select. You can have selection on the elements. This part is place part. I click on that part, and here I can search the parts that I want to work and use them in my program. And for example, but here there is a point that add library, which first you should add it into program. For example, I've done it before. Here I delete these libraries. Again, I add a library by click on the library. Here click on Control A to select all of the parts, open, and my libraries here, as you can see. So here I can search any part that I want to use in my program. For example, 1N4148. I choose it and click on OK. As you can see, I can place this element in my program by left click here. But to finish this part, by click plus and click on end mode, you can finish this process. Again, I click on PS part and type VAC. For example, here is the source of voltage. I place it in my program. Again, I click right click and click on end mode. There is place wire here for connecting the elements to each other. As you can see, one by one I can connect my elements to each other, this and this one. But the point here is that if I actually uh, uh, connect a wire from that part to this side, there is here in this part there is no connection, and this horizontal and vertical wires are not connected to each other, just a past and here, for example, place induction, I left click, and as you can see, these two wires were connected to each other. I clicked on second end mode. I finished the process. Place net aligns is actually to writing the name for each part. For example, here I type D1, and also I can change its color. For example, there's red default, and select the rotation, and as you can see, D1 here in mode. Again, I put blue and 0. Okay, D2. Okay, here we have place bus, which we had it before in schematic, and also we have another part which is very important as place ground, which is for using the ground of circuit, which you should use from source. I click on OK, and like this, in mode, I can connect it to. There are other parts for drawing some shapes in my program, which we had it in schematic, and also place text for placing one text. For example, this is test. Okay, this is test mode. Also, there's another part, is new simulation profile, which first I type name D. There are some options here, and you should actually select the analysis type and click on OK. So I edited the first part. I can edit the first part that I have used it, but here run PSpice is for simulating the circuit, and view simulation results for displaying the results of simulation. By selecting this part, you can actually see the results of your simulation. Okay, that's all for today. We hope to have you next sessions too. Bye bye.